If you're struggling with dry skin, sunburn, or simply want a natural moisturizer, aloe vera gel can be your go-to solution. But with so many on the market, choosing the right one is tough. In today's video, we break down the top 5 best aloe vera gels that actually deliver results. From pure formulas to skin-soothing multitaskers, we've tested and reviewed them all. Stick around till the end to find the one that fits your needs best. Let's dive into the list. Kicking off our list at number 1, Banana Boat Aloe Vera. The Banana Boat Aloe Vera Gel is a drugstore classic that's been around for years, offering trusted after-sun care with a refreshing formulation. Popular among beachgoers and everyday users alike, it delivers soothing comfort to sunburned or irritated skin. This gel blends pure aloe vera with a cooling texture that provides instant relief and moisture. Whether you're coming home from the beach or dealing with everyday dryness, Banana Boat provides an accessible, affordable, and fast-working aloe option that suits most skin types. Key features: this gel contains aloe leaf juice as a primary ingredient, along with stabilizers and preservatives to keep it shelf-stable. The formula is non-greasy, lightweight, and quick to absorb, leaving behind no sticky residue. Its green-tinted appearance is characteristic, and it's free of alcohol, which makes it safer for sensitive skin compared to harsher alternatives. Packaged in a convenient squeeze tube or bottle, it's designed for easy and mess-free application. Benefits and usage: Banana Boat Aloe Vera Gel is ideal for soothing sunburns, calming razor bumps, or simply hydrating skin post-shower. It provides a cooling sensation almost instantly, which can be a huge relief after sun exposure. To use, apply a generous amount to affected areas and massage gently into the skin. It can be reapplied as needed, even multiple times a day. The hydration it provides also makes it suitable for dry elbows, knees, or as a light body moisturizer. Usability: this gel spreads easily and sinks in fast, which makes it perfect for quick relief without long drying times. It's suitable for all ages and can be used on both face and body. The subtle scent is pleasant and not overpowering, making it ideal for those who prefer lighter fragrances in skincare. Its ease of use and wide availability at drugstores adds to its appeal for families and everyday users. Durability: one application of Banana Boat Gel offers hydration that lasts several hours, especially when used after a shower or cleansing. Although it's not a long-term moisturizer, its fast-acting and reapplication-friendly nature makes it effective for short-term skin relief. The product holds up well in travel bags or beach totes and doesn't separate over time. It's a consistent performer that delivers reliable results every time. In the second spot, we have Holika Aloe 99%. The Holika Aloe 99% Soothing Gel is a standout Korean skincare product known for its ultra-pure aloe vera content and iconic leaf-shaped packaging. Formulated with 99% fermented aloe vera leaf juice, this gel is designed to provide hydration, healing, and a refreshing feel to the skin. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, this lightweight gel provides a versatile solution for all skin needs, from calming irritation to cooling overheated skin. Key features: as the name suggests, the formula contains 99% aloe vera extract, which makes it one of the most concentrated aloe gels on the market. It's free from parabens, mineral oils, artificial coloring, and animal ingredients, making it a cruelty-free and clean skincare choice. The packaging, shaped like an aloe leaf, dispenses the gel with ease, while keeping the product hygienic and spill-free. Benefits and usage: Holika Aloe 99% is great for everything: calming sunburn, moisturizing face and body, soothing redness, or even using as a hair mask. To use it, apply a thin layer on clean skin or scalp and allow it to absorb naturally. It leaves a smooth, matte finish without greasiness. Its non-comedogenic formula means it won't clog pores, making it ideal for acne-prone or oily skin users looking for a cooling touch. Usability: the gel is feather-light in texture and glides on smoothly, drying almost instantly with no residue. It's fragrance-free and suitable for use multiple times a day. This product is also multifunctional, perfect as a base before makeup, a soothing post-shave treatment, or an overnight mask. Its compatibility with all skin types makes it highly usable across skincare routines. Durability: thanks to its purity and clean formulation, this gel holds up well over time both in usage and shelf life. A little goes a long way, meaning one bottle can last you weeks or even months depending on how frequently you use it. The soothing effects linger for hours, and with consistent use, users often notice visibly softer and calmer skin over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Ives Aloe Vera. The St. Ives Soothing Aloe Vera Gel combines the brand's nature-based ethos with reliable hydration and skin-calming power. Known for its affordability and clean ingredients, this gel is designed for daily use and is particularly beneficial for dry, irritated, or post-sun skin. It offers instant moisture and a refreshing finish that makes it ideal for both body and facial use. Key features: this gel is paraben-free and dermatologist-tested, with aloe vera extract listed as a key ingredient. It contains water, glycerin, and carbomer to help maintain the gel's structure and enhance absorption. While not 100% pure aloe, it is effective enough for daily use and suitable for most skin types. The squeeze tube packaging is straightforward and travel-friendly. Benefits and usage: St. Ives Aloe Gel is best used post-cleansing or post-sun exposure to restore moisture and reduce redness. It can also be used on dry patches, after shaving, or even as a lightweight moisturizer on hot days. To apply, simply use a small amount on clean skin and rub in until absorbed. It doesn't feel sticky or greasy and absorbs within seconds, making it a reliable addition to any skincare routine. Usability: one of the strengths of St. Ives Aloe Gel is its user-friendly nature. It spreads easily, feels cooling upon contact, and is compatible with makeup or sunscreen layers. The mild scent is refreshing but not overpowering, and the product doesn't pill or interfere with other skincare steps. Its texture makes it suitable for quick touch-ups or full-body application. Durability: while not the longest-lasting gel on the market, it performs well for a few hours and can be reapplied as needed. The tube keeps the product fresh for a long time and dispenses cleanly. Regular use may lead to noticeable improvements in skin texture and hydration, especially when used consistently during dry or hot weather conditions. Taking our 4th spot is Burt's Bees Aloe Vera. The Burt's Bees Aloe and Witch Hazel Gel is a gentle, plant-powered skincare product made for sensitive and easily irritated skin. Combining the hydrating power of aloe with the toning benefits of witch hazel, this gel offers a soothing and refreshing experience that's both effective and eco-conscious. It's a trusted go-to for people who want clean beauty that performs. Key features: this gel is formulated with 99.1% natural ingredients, including aloe barbadensis leaf juice, witch hazel, and glycerin. It is free from parabens, phthalates, and petrolatum, and has not been tested on animals. The product is dermatologist-tested and pH-balanced to work with your skin's natural barrier. It comes in a recyclable plastic tube that's easy to store and use. Benefits and usage: this gel works wonders on freshly shaved skin, sunburn, or general dryness. Witch hazel helps minimize the appearance of pores and soothe inflammation, while aloe hydrates and calms. Use a small amount and apply it to clean skin wherever needed. It's great for calming razor burn or post-exercise redness and can also be layered under a moisturizer for longer-lasting hydration. Usability: the dual-action formula is ideal for those who want hydration and toning in one product. It dries fast and leaves no residue, which makes it a great option for use under clothing. It's suitable for all-over body application, and even on sensitive areas like underarms or inner thighs after waxing or shaving. Durability: Burt's Bees Aloe Gel provides medium-term hydration with reapplication as needed. A single application keeps skin feeling fresh and calm for hours. Because of the witch hazel, the formula offers extra longevity in terms of pore refinement and oil control. The sturdy packaging and quality formulation ensure a long shelf life even with regular use. And finally, at number 5, we have Garnier Pure Aloe Vera. The Garnier Pure Active Aloe Vera Gel is a relatively newer addition to the skincare market, offering hydration and radiance with the power of organic aloe vera. Targeted toward young and urban consumers, this gel offers a minimalist formula designed to suit all skin types while helping skin retain moisture and look visibly healthier over time. Key features: this gel is formulated with 96% natural origin ingredients and enriched with organic aloe vera. It's free of alcohol and synthetic dyes, making it safe for daily use on sensitive skin. The lightweight formula is vegan and dermatologically tested. Its clear gel format comes in a compact tube that ensures hygienic, spill-proof dispensing. Benefits and usage: Garnier Aloe Vera Gel hydrates, soothes, and revitalizes the skin without leaving a sticky finish. Apply it as the last step of your skincare routine or use it under makeup as a primer. It's especially useful for dry spots, tired skin, or after sun treatment. It quickly revives the skin's natural glow and enhances hydration after each use. Usability. The gel absorbs quickly, spreads evenly, and works well under makeup or sunscreen. It has a faint, fresh scent and feels weightless on the skin. It's also a great pick for men's skincare, thanks to its neutral scent and non-tacky finish. Daily use is easy, non-irritating, and fits effortlessly into any skincare routine. Durability. The hydration lasts several hours, and the refreshing sensation lingers after use. Regular application can help improve skin tone and texture, especially in humid or warm environments. The product remains stable in packaging and is easy to carry for on-the-go skin refreshment. So, those were the top 5 best aloe vera gels that deserve a spot in your skincare routine. Whether you're after sunburn relief, hydration, or something for everyday use, each of these options brings something unique to the table. Choose the one that best fits your skin's needs and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite aloe vera product. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy skin is always in.